Anytime you're solving for an angle, you're going to be doing inverse sine. You're going to get an angle around 50 degrees. And I say around, I mean, you should really round it to 1 decimal place, but I'm going to just go ahead and use 50 degrees. So that was angle B. So angle B is 50 degrees. Okay. Now we're going to solve for C, and obviously once you have two angles, you can subtract it from 180. So 180 minus 50 minus 43 is going to give us 87 degrees. This one is 87 degrees. And now we're still missing this side, so we'll use the law of sines. Sine 87 over this side, which is side C. So sine 87 over C equals, and I would just use this one since we already know it. Sine 43 over 25. Now we're going to go ahead and cross multiply. 25 times this equals C times sine 43. We're going to divide by sine 43. And C is going to be equal to 36.6, or approximately equal to 36.6. So there you go. This one is 36.6. Alright, so we've completed the first solution, and we have to now complete the second solution. And it's very similar, except that you used to know this angle. Well, we know this angle is 50. That means this one is 50, because both of these are the same length. So it's an isosceles triangle. And all of this should be 180. So we can find this angle. So we just take 180 minus 50. And that'll give us 130. That's what this angle is right here. A quick way to remember this, how do we get this 50? Let's look at the calculations right here. The angle that you end up doing the inverse sine of is the one that you're going to subtract from 180. Try to remember that. If you watch this video, you now know the trick. And then how do we find this one? Well, you now know 43 and you know 130. So 180 minus 43 minus 130. Alright, this is 7 degrees. So that means this one up here is 7 degrees. And now this side over here, so sine of 7 over that side. I just need to find a working space on my board. Here we go. Sine of 7 over C equals the sine of 43 over 25. Once again, you use the same one that you know from before. It doesn't change in any of your SSA triangles. So 25 sine 7 equals C times sine 43. Divide by sine 43. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's when I'm looking at the board, it's kind of hard to see what I'm recording. Okay? So that means C is approximately equal to 4.5. Or so says the calculator. So, oh wait, all of this is gone. We really only needed that too. Alright. There you go. First solution, second solution.